Okay, hi everyone. So today we will continue our lesson with a volume of the 3D geometrical shapes. So today I'll focus exercise on the textbook, uh, self-practice 6.4 on page 115. I'll try to answer 5 questions today. So I'll focus on question number 1, A, B, C, and then another 2 questions. But for question number 2, I'll do tomorrow lessons. Okay, so let's start with question A. Calculate the volume of the following. So A, given this one. So let me copy this one first. Okay, let me paste it here. Okay. So we have two different shapes here combined. On the upper part, this is a hemisphere. On the lower part here is a cone. Okay, so remember you want to find the volume and not the surface area. You want the volume. So we need to use the formula of volume. Okay, so volume we write as V. So we write here. Okay, V. Oh, too small. Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay. Okay, so we want V. I start with the hemisphere. The volume of sphere, you can refer to the textbook on page 118. The volume of sphere is actually 4/3 times with pi r cube. This is the formula for a sphere. But in the diagram here, it's only half. We call as hemisphere. So you can divide 2. So this is for sphere. Actually, you can write 2/3. Also same thing. 2/3 pi r cube. That is volume for a hemisphere. Okay, and then we need to add with a volume of a cone. So volume of a cone, the formula is 1/3 pi r square h. This is the formula for a cone, volume for a cone. Okay, so for the value of pi, for today's lesson, I think I want to use pi as 22/7. 22/7. Okay, so we try to answer now. Okay, so 4/3 times pi, I want to use 22/7 times with r. Okay, r given here is 5. This one, this is r, radius. 5 cube. Don't forget cube. And then we need divide 2 for a hemisphere. Okay, so next we plus. Okay, with 1/3. 1/3 times pi 22/7 times r. Again, r is 5 square times with h. H here for cone, h is 12 cm. Okay, so now we find the answer. Okay, we take out our calculator. Okay, so 4/3. 4/3 times with fraction 22/7. Okay, times with 5 cube, shift cube. Okay, divide 2. So the answer I want in decimal, maybe decimal. The answer is, wait, let me check with my calculator first. This calculator shows 261.904761. Okay, let me try using my calculator. You also can try if you want. Okay. So we write the answer here. 261.905. Okay. So I want to take to up to 3 decimal places for this one. Final answer we write in 2 decimal places. Okay, 905 because after 4 is a number 7, so we add 1 to number 4. Okay, so 261.905. Okay, plus, okay, for the next 1 over 3. Okay, 1/3. 1 over 3 times with 22 over 7. Okay, times with 5 square or 25. Okay, and then times with 12. Okay, change to decimal. This is the answer. So let me double check with my calculator here. 1 over 3 times 22 over 7 times 5 square times 12. So the answer is, okay, let me write here, 314.286. Okay, like that. Okay, next, equal to, so let us add to this number. Okay, so plus with 261.905. Okay, so answer we write in 2 decimal places only. So 576.19. Correct to 2 decimal places only. 576.19. Okay, let me double check with my calculator here. 2161.05 plus 314.26. Okay, correct. That is the answer. Correct to 2 decimal places. So this is how you find the answer and volume for this joint geometrical shape. Okay, so this is question number 1A. I hope you can understand this one. Okay, next we go to question B. Okay, question B. I will copy this one first. Okay, question B. We have 2 solid objects here. On the upper part is a pyramid. On the lower part is a cube. Okay, so let us answer this one. Okay, so V equal to, so I start with a cube because cube is easy. Cube, the formula for volume of cube, remember this is 8, this is 8, this one also 8. Okay, so volume of a cube is 8 times 8 times 8. So this is volume of a cube. Okay, and then we add with volume for pyramid. Volume for pyramid. So volume for pyramid, the formula is 1/3 times base area. Base area is this one. This is the base area for pyramid. Same with this one, same base area. This is the base area for pyramid. Same area, the one. Okay, so the base area is actually 8 times 8 or 8 square. And then multiply with h, the height. The height for pyramid. Is it 13? Is it 13? No, actually not 13. The height of pyramid is this one only. This is the height of pyramid, not 13. 13 is the total height from base of the cube to top of the pyramid. Okay, so not 13. If you write 13, then you will get a wrong answer. Not 13. So we erase this one. Okay, not 13, remember. So what is the height actually? The height is actually 13 minus 8 or 5. You can write 5. The answer for height is 5 actually. So now you find the answer. 8 times 8 times 8. Let me use the calculator. Okay. 8 times 8 times 8. Or you can write as 8 cubed. And the answer is 512. 512. Okay. For pyramid, the volume. Okay, 1/3. Let me use this one. 1/3 times with 8 times 8. And then times, I put 5 here. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay. Equal. Let's use this one. So 106.6. 106. Wait. Point. Is it? Let me use my calculator to double check. 1/3 times 8 times 8 times 5. Okay, actually, for 2 decimal places, the answer should be 106.67. Actually, 6. If you use your calculator, you can try. But this calculator write like this lah. Okay, but actually 6.67 actually. Okay. So now we add this number together. 512 plus 106.67. Okay. The answer is 618.67. Okay. 618.67. Okay. What is the unit? The unit is cm cube. Volume, the volume, the unit is centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the answer volume for question B. So question B is easy, no pi actually involved here. Okay, next we go to question C, the third question. Okay, let me copy first this one. Question C. Okay, so question C have consists of 2 objects. So the first part is cylinder. On the right is a cone. Okay, so to find the volume, let me write here. Oh, sorry, pen. Okay, so volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is actually the base pi r square, the circle, times with the height. The height here is 10. And then for cone, the formula is 1/3 pi r square times with h. Okay, so we have all the number here. So we just write formula. Okay, for cylinder, cylinder is actually pi r square times with h. This is volume of a cylinder. Okay, plus with a cone. Cone is 1/3, and then the base area pi r square. Actually, base area for cylinder and cone same. Okay, and then multiply with the height. Okay, height of a cone. Okay, next. Pi, in this case, I want to use 22/7. So 22, not very nice. Okay. 22/7 times with r. R is not 4. 4 is actually diameter. So 4 we need to divide with 2. So actually the radius is 2, not 4. So 2 square times with H. So H, actually H for cylinder and H for cone are different. Maybe better if you write this one H1 and then this is H2 to differentiate. So this is H1 and this is actually H2. Okay, so height for cylinder is actually 10. 10. Okay, plus 1 over 3 pi, I want to use 22 over 7. Here is 22 over 7. Therefore, on the right also, same pi, 22 over 7. Okay. Times with R. R is 2 square. Times with the second height, 4. Okay. Now use the calculator to find the answer. Wait, where is the calculator? Okay. So this is the calculator, fraction 22 over 7 times with 2 square or 4, 2 square, I like 2 square, times with 10. Okay, so the answer, let me double check with my calculator here, 22 over 7 times 4 times 10. Okay, so the answer is, let me write here, 125.714. I want the final answer to be in 3 decimal places, but 125.714 is not the final answer. We still in the process. So all the numbers in between, before the final answer, I write more than 2 decimal places. I write more than 2 decimal places. In this case, I take to up to 3 decimal places. Okay. So next, for the second calculation, fraction 1 over, again, 1 over 3, okay, times 22 over 7 times 2 square times 4. Okay, change to decimal. Let me double check with my calculator. 1 over
Children crying in the basement.
Yeah. Wait, let me double check first. So we write the answer 16.76194. But we write here is 16.762. We take 16.762, not 761, 762, or not 76 only. Okay, then we add these two numbers, but we write answer in 2 decimal places. So 125.714. Okay, 125.714 add with 16.762. Answer. Okay, so 142. 142.48. Correct to 2 decimal places. Like that. 142.48. 2 decimal places. Okay. So this is the solution for question number 1. See, so far we finished already 3 questions. We have another 2 questions. I hope you can understand. Okay, next. We go to the next page. Okay, I want to do this question. Question number 3. Given the volume of the block, calculate the value of H. Now we given already the volume, but now we want to find the H and the height. Okay, so let me copy this one. Okay. Please. So we want to find the h, the height. Okay. So how you want to find the volume? So actually we have two hemisphere. Two hemisphere, if we combine, become one sphere. Okay? Two hemisphere, when we combine, become one sphere. So actually this one we can solve by add one cylinder plus one sphere. That's all. One cylinder plus one sphere. Volume of one cylinder plus volume of one sphere. Because two hemisphere combined become one sphere. I hope you understand. Or maybe I can color this one for you. Understand? This one. This is hemisphere. This is another hemisphere. So these two hemisphere combined become one sphere. Okay. So we answer this one. Okay. So volume for a sphere, the formula is 4 over 3. Let me write here. 4 over 3 pi r cube. This is volume of a sphere. Okay. Plus with volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is the base area. Base area is pi r square times with the height h, and this is equal to volume. Equal to the volume. Let me check the question whether it has given the value of h or not. Let me double check. I think the question didn't give the value of h. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, I want to use 22 over 7. So let's solve this question. So for, oh wait, okay, again. So 4 over 3 times with pi, 22 over 7 times with r. Okay, so r is not 42. 42 is diameter. So 42 divide 2 become 21. So actually the radius is, maybe I can write here, r, the radius is 42 divide 2 equal to 21 mm. So this is r. Okay. So we continue here. R cube. R cube is 21 cube. Plus with pi 22 over 7 times r 21 square, and then times with h, we don't know, h, equal to v. Volume given already here, and the volume is 122,000 and 122,000 millimeter cube. Okay, so now we solve this one, find one by one. Okay, so 4 over 3, fraction, 4 over 3 times with fraction again, 22 over 7. Okay, times with 21 cube, 21 cube, shift cube. Okay, so we get 38808. 38808. Double check. 38808. Okay, correct. So plus 22 over 7. Okay, let me erase this one. Fraction 22 over 7 times with 21 square, pi r square, times with h, we don't know. So only the numbers here. 1386. Okay, 1386. And don't forget we have h at the back. And this is equal to 122,000. So now we want to find the height. Okay, what we do? 1386 h equal to 122,000 minus with 38808. So this number, we move to the right hand side and become minus. Become minus. Okay. So continue. 1386H equal to, so we find the number here. Or I use the calculator. Okay. 122,000 minus with 38808 equal. So we get 83192. 83192. Okay. So H, let me write here. H equal to 83192 divide 1386. Okay, so not enough space. Let me continue here. Okay, I'll continue over there. Okay, so H, the answer. H equal to, so let's use the calculator. 83192, okay, divide with 1386 equal. Okay, so let me double check with my calculator. 83192 divide with 1386. So we'll get the answer as 60.02 mm. And the unit is in mm. Okay, so I get 60.02 millimeter for the height. Maybe if you use 3.142 as the value of pi, maybe you get 60 exactly. And you can try later. But this is how we solve to get H. Okay, so one more, last question. And then we can stop. One more, last question. So far, no question. Okay. Let's go. Question B. Okay. So again, given the volume already here, the volume is 1,540 centimeter cube. Okay. So we want to find the height of the cylinder. Height for the cone given already 4.5 cm. Only the height for the cylinder. Okay. Radius not given here, but given a diameter. Diameter is 14. So radius we can find. So maybe we can find radius first. Okay, so radius equal to 14 divide 2 equal to 7 cm. Okay, so radius given, we get ready 7 cm. Okay, so this object is a combination of a cylinder and a cone. So for a cone, the formula for volume is pi r square, and then we multiply with height. Plus for cone. For cone, the formula is 1/3. Let me write here. 1/3 pi r square times with h, but this time maybe I put h1 to differentiate the height with a cylinder and also cone to differentiate, because the height is different. Okay, so this total volume equal to, given here, this one, 1,540 centimeter cube. Okay, so now we substitute all the value here to find the answer. Okay, so pi, I want to use again 22/7 times with r, we know 7. Don't forget square. Okay, sorry. square. Okay, times with H. This H is for cylinder. For cylinder, not con. Pi r square H is the volume of a cylinder. Make sure you know. Okay, so the H here is H. We write H because we don't know. Not given. Okay, plus 1/3 pi 22/7 times r. R is 7. Don't forget square. Multiply with H1. H1 is the height of a cone, 4.5. And this is equal to 1,540 centimeter cube. Okay, now we use the calculator to find the answer. Okay, so fraction 22/7 times with 7 square times H, but we don't know H. Okay, so this is 154. 154. Don't forget to write H. Okay, plus. Okay, the next calculation, 1/3. Okay, 1/3 times with another fraction. Oh, sorry. Again. Okay. 1/3. Okay. Times with 22/7. Okay. Times 7 square. 7 square. Times with the height for the cone, 4.5. 4.5. Okay. Equal. Let me double check for someone. 22/7 times 7 square times 4.5. Okay. So 231. 231. And this is equal to 1540. So this is a linear equation. We want to solve to find H. So 1540. 231 here. We move to the right hand side. So become minus 231. On the left hand side, we write back 154 H. Okay, so 154 H equal to, find the answer here, 1540 minus 231. Answer is 1309. Okay, 1309. So H equal to 1309 divide with 154. So let me continue here. Okay. So final answer. H equal to 1309 divide with 154. What's the answer? 8.5. The answer is 8.5. What is the unit? cm. So this is how you want to calculate, or we want to determine the value of H given the volume of the combined object. Okay, so far I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can ask me. No problem. Before that, let me stop the recording first. Okay, stop recording.